Good morning. Still no Wi-Fi, so I'm going to head over to another local coffee shop, buy a $7 latte to do like an hour's worth of work or so, and then I'm very excited because I'm going to Northstar today. It's my first day of the season at Northstar. I've only had one day on hill, I believe, so far, so I'm really excited about that. Living in a ski town is, you can walk around in the ski town with your bibs on, and it's like totally normal. Hi. I'm so tired. I went to Northstar, I got my season pass, it was a little busy and my bindings were super loose. Just kind of happens over time with the pivot bindings. So really only got like 1-2 laps in, which is fine. It was exciting just getting those laps in. I went to my local ski shop, had them fix up my bindings for me. I love Tahoe Sports Hub. So if you're watching this and you're in Tahoe and you need to go to a ski shop, I highly recommend Tahoe Sports Hub. So this is about to be blended and turned into veggie burger patties. Also making pasta salad for tomorrow. Looks so good. Hi! It's Saturday. I am still out of Wi-Fi and service at my house, so I got all cute and I'm gonna go to a coffee shop again and hopefully do my work. It's so frustrating. But whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go try to get some work done. Bye! Hi! I did not do much today besides try to get Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi at the coffee shops didn't really work that great, so I tried to get as much done as I could. But there wasn't really that much to film today other than this epic sunset. I just shot some Instagram photos. Hopefully they came out kind of cute. And other than that, yeah, I just met up with a friend, the friend with the puppies, and I got to see the puppies again, which was just awesome.
But yeah, I think like Santa Cruz is a place we could go.
It is just magical tonight. Hi, good morning. There's still not good enough Wi-Fi to upload any of my VLOGMAS videos, whatever. But I ended up going out to shoot some content that I needed to get done, and it was just an epic sunset. I drove back in town to get Wi-Fi, and when I went back home and drove by the lake again, it was beautiful. It was a full moon and so glassy. I was like, I'm gonna take some self-timer shots. I set my camera up on this giant snow berm, 10-second timer, like, I don't know how many feet it was, like maybe like 50 feet or something that I had to run, like down this snowy hill, just like sprint down the hill, like sliding everywhere. I ran to like the edge of the dock and the photo came out so cool. I'll also show you guys that one right now. But anyways, I just got ready. I'm heading to Reno to see Anthony. He's painting the last parts of the camper, and while he's working on the camper, I still have to get my work done because I've not had great Wi-Fi. I'm like hoping the Wi-Fi's good at his house, and then we will be heading to Virginia City to do some Christmas shopping. Oh my gosh.
What?
Babe,
What?
come here. I just wanted them to see how cute you were.
Look at that too.
Oh my god. Oh, it looks good.
It doesn't look terrible.
You're doing a good job. It's getting there. I'm gonna give you an update of all the things Anthony added throughout this week, because he did a lot. So, this is our thermostat that Anthony just added that's gonna control the heat. This is our closet. And then he just made this for where our heater goes. It's a diesel heater. We still have to test it. Still gotta clean all this up. Last week you saw we got our oven working. Box, which will be our like control panel box, and he just added outlets, which is so exciting. So I'm currently working in here uploading some YouTube videos and getting my reach outs done. And then we put the diesel tank here, that way when we go to a gas station we can just fill it up from the outside. It's just super convenient. Much bigger Austin, Nevada. No?
No.
I think it does.
Just wait.
What?
You want to go in here?
Yeah.
Take a picture of my mess.
It's part of being an artist, you know?
You think
Not a
so?
mess.
Try to
It's-
make me feel better. Or...
You don't. I mean, as long as you know
I
where
know I
everything
cleaned and 2
is.
seconds later I was like,
Well, if you know where everything is, there's nothing messy.
no, I know where everything is. That's the thing, yeah.
There are times when my father goes,
Caboose. It's so
Yeah,
cute.
that's what I was talking about.
It's forever Christmas. What do you mean, am I serious? We have to go in. It's VLOGMAS. Well, that's a pretty view. What? Good morning. I got 2 of my YouTube videos to post yesterday, and of course the day 13 through 16 did not post yet, so I'm going to try to go to a coffee shop and see if it'll upload this time. I'm not sure if it will because it didn't last time, but yeah, I still have no Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go get ready to go skiing. I'm meeting my friend Georgia. We have to shoot a couple of things again for Brewmate. And then we're just gonna go out on the hill and do some park skiing together, which is super exciting because it's our first time riding together this season. So I will try to take you along for that. Just like do little brake stops. This is like what they teach kids in ski school.
Absolutely not.
Come on.
People do this for.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.